In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in ElevenLabs account. Whether you're getting back to a project or checking your settings, this quick walkthrough will make sure you're in the right place and signed in securely. First, open your web browser and go to elevenlabs.io. Type the address carefully and look for the secure padlock icon next to the URL so you know you're on the official site. Using a modern, up-to-date browser helps everything load smoothly and keeps your session secure. Once the homepage loads, head to the top right corner and click Login. This takes you to the sign-in screen. If you're new to the platform, you'll want to create an account first, but today we're focusing on getting you logged in. On the login page, enter your registered email address. This should be the same email you used when you signed up. Take a moment to double-check for typos, especially common ones like missing a dot or mixing up letters, so your details match exactly. Next, type your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on. If there's an option to reveal the password while you type, use it briefly to confirm everything looks right, then hide it again for privacy. It's a good idea to sign in on a trusted network and avoid public computers when possible. If you originally signed up with your Google account, you can choose Continue with Google instead of entering your email and password. Click that option, select the Google account you used at sign-up, and approve the prompt. This keeps your login consistent with how you registered and can save time. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to complete a quick verification. That could be a CAPTCHA, a device check, or a short code sent to your chosen verification method. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete the check to confirm it's really you. After successful authentication, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. That's your home base, where you'll see your projects, tools, and account controls. Once you're in, consider bookmarking the site for faster access next time. And if you're on a shared device, remember to sign out when you're done to keep your account secure. That's it. The full process to log into your ElevenLabs account. Open the site, click Login, enter your email and password or continue with Google, complete any verification, and you'll land right on your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your session.